Okay, now we're on example 6. We've got another little twist here. This one's a little bit more difficult. I'm looking at equation 1, which has 2x plus y is equal to 8, and equation 2, which is 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. When I look at the x's, 2x and 3x, they won't cancel. Positive 1y and negative 2y, they don't cancel. So what I'm going to need to do is take a look at each variable and see which one is going to be the easiest. So we're going to have to change the entire equation. But which one is going to be the easiest so that we don't have to do a lot of work and get one of the variables to cancel. Okay, here I have 2 and 3. Now, I would have to think about the multiples of 2 and 3, and the multiples of 2 and 3 would end up being 6. Now, to get both of these to one to a positive 6 and the other to a negative 6 to cancel, that's going to require changing both equations. Now, if I look at this one, I already have a positive and a negative, okay, so they're ready to cancel out. If I could just get these two to be equal, and the LCD of 1 and 2 is 2, okay? Or the least common multiple, of 1 and 2 is 2. So what we're going to say here is I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2 so that I could get a positive 2y to cancel with the negative 2y, okay? So we're just going to make a change on the top one, and I'm going to multiply the entire equation by 2. That way, 2 times 2x gives me 4x. 2 times positive y is 2y, and 2 times 8 is 16. Since I changed everything in the equation equally, it's still going to be a balanced equation, okay? And now, when I move equation 2 underneath, you can see that the 2y and the negative 2y are going to cancel, okay? So let's go ahead and do our addition. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Anything plus its opposite is 0, so we've eliminated the y. 16 plus 5 is going to be 21. Divide both sides by 7, and x is equal to positive 3. Now I can come back to either equation, to any equation, and do this. I'm going to come back to the top one. I'm going to replace the 2x with a 2 times 3. I'm replacing the x with 3. Now, 2 times 3 gives me 6, plus y is equal to 8. Subtract the 6 from both sides, and y is equal to 2. So we've got our coordinate 3, 2. I could have plugged this back into really any of the equations and gotten that the same answer, but I went to the one that is the simplest. No negative signs, not very large coefficients, nice, easy numbers.